Question number 1. What is the mirror used in a car's side view called? The correct answer is option B, convex mirrors. Question number 2. What device is used to measure temperature? The correct answer is option A, thermometer. Question number 3. What is the SI unit of electric current? The correct answer is option A, ampere. Question number 4. What is used to split white light into colors? The correct answer is option C, prism. Question number 5. Which energy is stored in a stretched rubber band? The correct answer is option A, elastic potential energy. Question number 6. What carries oxygen in human blood? The correct answer is option D, hemoglobin. Question number 7. Which organ is known as the brain of the computer? The correct answer is option C, CPU. Question number 8. Which part of the plant conducts photosynthesis? The correct answer is option C, leaf. Question number 9. What is the normal pH of human blood? The correct answer is option C, 7.4. Question number 10. What is ACI commonly known as? The correct answer is option A, hydrochloric acid. Question number 11. Which element is a liquid metal? The correct answer is option A, mercury. Question number 12. Which acid is found in vinegar? The correct answer is option D, acetic acid. Question number 13. Which element is essential for respiration? The correct answer is option C, oxygen. Question number 14. What is an alloy of copper and tin called? The correct answer is option A, boson. Question number 15. What type of writing is the Ramayana? The correct answer is option D, epic poem. Question number 16. Which language has the oldest known written script? The correct answer is option A, Sumerian. Question number 17. What is the square root of 144? The correct answer is option B, 12. Question number 18. What is the perimeter of a circle called? The correct answer is option D, circumference. Question number 19. What is the Roman numeral for 50? The correct answer is option B, L. Question number 20. What is the sum of interior angles of a triangle? The correct answer is option C, 180 degree. Question number 21. What is the closest planet to the Sun? The correct answer is option A, Mercury. Question number 22. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? The correct answer is option D, Jupiter. Question number 23. What do you call a star that suddenly increases in brightness? The correct answer is option C, nova. Question number 24. What is a group of stars forming a pattern called? The correct answer is option A, constellation. Question number 25. Which planet is known as Earth's twin? The correct answer is option A, Mercury. Question number 26. Which is the largest coral reef system? The correct answer is option D, Great Barrier Reef. Question number 27. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? The correct answer is option D, nitrogen. Question number 28. What are cyclones called in the Atlantic? The correct answer is option A, hurricanes. Question number 29. Which is the Central Bank of India? The correct answer is option D, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 30. Which is the biggest stock exchange in India? The correct answer is option D, Bombay Stock Exchange.